Here and over in this corner as well. I hate making you do this mountain of pain.
Once it was sitting in the palm of my hand. Maul, if I go after something else and realize I was happier chasing the thing than actually total bullshit, isn't it? Oh, I touched some boobs for the very first time, but it turns...
That when it comes to sexual matters, the better you understand. But so start small. Perhaps with hand. How long are they? And their palms? Are they warm? Before. Pay attention, even if you lost your vision. How hard I fight. Denji, dear. It's all right. I want you to bring down the gun devil for long, and I've yet to meet a hunter who didn't want to slay it. You're special. More so than...
I'm able to find and murderize this thing. And you'll see to it. If I figure out a way to kill the gun devil, you dead?
To counter devils, humans